County in west central Mississippi until 10:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:55 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Newton to 7 miles northwest of Port Gibson, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Aspen around 10 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Vicksburg, Laterno, and Yokina around 10 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Bovine around 10:25 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Redwood and Flowers around 10:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Oak Ridge and Youngton around 10:35 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Valley Park around 10:40 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Mound, Delta, and Richmond. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Simpson County in central Mississippi, northern Lincoln County in south central Mississippi, northwestern Lawrence County in south central Mississippi, Copiah County in central Mississippi until 11:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:38 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Lloyd Star, or near Brookhaven, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Wesson and Glancy around 10:50 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Martinsville around 10:55 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Hazlehurst around 11 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Union and Hopewell around 11:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Beauregard and Georgetown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning. The National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Yazoo County.
That's definitely for me. Right there.
Central Mississippi, Madison County in central Mississippi until 11:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:53 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Edwards to near Bolton to near Dry Grove, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated.
It's raining outside.
Expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Clinton and Brownsville around 11 a.m. Central Daylight Time.
Alright.
Jackson around 11:05 a.m.
Oh yeah,
Central Daylight
right
Time.
there. I'm like right there where I live. Yeah, I think.
15 a.m. Central Daylight Time.
I don't know.
Madison, Richland, and Millville around 11:20 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Canton and Gluckstadt around 11:25 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Lee and Vaughn around 11:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Sharon around 11:35 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Learned and Bentonia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The severe Mississippi, Claiborne County in southwestern Mississippi, eastern Jefferson County in southwestern Mississippi, southwestern Hinds County in central Mississippi, western Copiah County in central Mississippi, until 11 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:14 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Hermanville to near Union Church, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
That's definitely me.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near.
Let's take a look outside. I don't see nothing for some reason.
Rocky Springs and Carpets are around 10:25 a.m. Central Daylight Time.
It must be behind me. I don't know.
Allen and Pete are around 10.
Yeah, that's for me. Right there. Right there.
35 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Newman around 10:40 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Dentville around 10:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Edwards around 10:50 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include learned. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Oh my gosh.